can you be so attached or concerned to the fruits of your action? There's a verse which deals with it, as I was quoting. Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Karmani eva adhikara. Your adhikara, your right is only in karma, in action. Never to the fruits thereof. Fundamental principle of corporate management, work. We teach this in corporate training. Renounce the fruit. Accent is on action. Bring the best out of your action. How to be optimum in your action. How to be dexterous. How to be efficient. How to be productive. How to be industrious. And yet to keep your mind calm and balanced and poised, both at the same time. It's a rare art, unknown of. Because when you put in so much of your time, effort, life into it, obviously you want results, you want fruits, you want benefits, you want rewards, and it is the very anxiety for that you have lost your peace of mind. Give your 100% to the effort, but renounce the fruit. People have misunderstood this concept of renunciation. Totally misunderstood. Therefore, Gita is there is no better management tool than the Bhagavad Gita.